This. Stoked, guys. Our first Wesco collaboration. This is going to be a black rough out engineer boot, false toe, big chunky boot, brown accents, forged buckles from yours truly. See the rivet head. This is water jet, and then filed down to give it some shape and style. This is the 1 inch. Here's the 5/8 with a forged detail here. It's all iron. Gonna be a badass boot, man. I'm gonna try on this 9.5. Or this, is this a 9.5? I'll find my 9.5, throw it on, give you guys a look. Excited to release these with our Huntsman this weekend. Saturday, New Orleans. Be there. Holler at us, guys. Appreciate it. He should have got my reaction on video. Money. Yeah. So the trim on this one, this is all the same. I'm gonna do you a better video, but this is a Peacoat 15 ounce Hainsworth wool from Hainsworth. We got the dark brown Carrozzo buttons. We did a Kersey brown trim on this one, where our first iteration was khaki wool and ecru HPT fabric. We wanted to mix it up a little bit. I always love brown and black. We got, this is going to be releasing Saturday at the party. Also have another little special surprise for you guys. Sorry for the unprofessional video. We just got so damn excited. Kersey fabric here. I love how that Kersey feels to the touch. I love the way this heavy, dense placket feels. The oversized pockets. Duncan's rocking a small.
Small. Probably could do medium, but if I want to wear anything under it, but over a t-shirt. Small feels real nice.
And I've got the large on myself. Sorry we're not in our normal video area. We're still got a ton to unpack and get ready for releasing this week and next week. Hit us up if you guys have any questions.